What's going on, guys and girls? It's Webby from Desert Sabers. Today, just a quick tutorial showing you how to get Proffie and Arduino all set up on the Mac. I've grabbed the Mrs. MacBook here and thought I'd make a quick tutorial. There's a few people that have been asking. So you want to go to Frederick's site to start all this, and then you want to go to the software section and you want to click on the Arduino IDE and go there. Bear in mind this computer's pretty old, so it's a little bit slower. So once you're on the IDE, you want to download the one for macOS. I've already done it, so I'm not going to do it again because it did take a fair while. Once that's done, just install it. So then we want to go back to Frederick's site and we want to click on the Arduino plugin. And then we want to scroll down and we want to highlight the URL for the Proffie installer. So you want to do that one. Then we're going to launch Arduino. Okay, so once that's done, you want to go up to Tools, and then you want to go into the, you want to go to the Arduino here and go to Preferences, and then you want to, in the additional Boards Manager URL, you just want to paste that in and click OK. Then once that's done, just go into Tools and then go to Boards Manager. And then what it's going to do on the first one, it's going to download these platform indexes, and then just search for Proffie and you'll see it here. So I've already installed it. So it'll have 1.0.0. Install that. It's 57 megs, so depending on your speed, it doesn't really take that long. So once that's done, go back into the boards and then you'll see it pop up here. So you want to make sure that you select V2 and that's done. So that's Arduino done. So you can quit out of that. Then you want to go back to Frederick's site and then you want to download 5.7 Proffie. So again, I've already done it. So it's just going to put onto the desktop. And yeah, once that's done, just click into it. So from here, you're going to have obviously the config folder where you're going to put all your configs. I'm just going to do the base one just to show you it all going. But yeah, you would add your config files into here like normal if you're on Windows. And then just go and launch the proffieos.eno. So that's going to load the lightsaber library. And just make this bigger. Come on. Okay, so here it is here. So here's all your config files that you can define. We've already set the board, so the board's set here. One thing to note, in the port, you have the Proffie will show up here. So I'm just going to pause the video here and I'm going to go and grab my Proffie. Alright, so once you've got that, plug him into the old US of the B, then go to Tools, Port. Actually, you might have to, with Mac, I'm not sure if I'm not a Mac guy, so I'm just going to go out and then go back in after I plugged it in and see. I don't know if you need to refresh it or not. Yeah, there we go. So plug it in before you launch Arduino, I guess, and then it just show up here, so Proffie, and then we can just launch the base one, so we can configure the base one. So you just want to, that's in the config folder, so you just hit upload and it's compiling now. Okay, so it's compiling and uploading. You will see this. I've seen that on Windows as well. I think there's a way that you can turn it off. It doesn't affect anything because it's loading, but it does come up with this error. I get that on Windows as well. I'm sure there's a way to turn off warnings. I don't know how to do it, so it doesn't affect anything. So yeah, so once that finishes, your board's programmed and you're good to go. So that's it. It's just a short, sharp and shiny little video to try and help out the Mac users. You don't have to use the dig on Mac. It just automatically picks it up after you've installed the Arduino library. And yeah, you should be all good to go. Alright, thanks guys. We'll see you in the next one.